The goal of a good review is to ensure that the data are correct, that the presentation is clear, that the assumptions and conclusions are accurate. And so a reviewer should always examine each paper that they're sent to be sure that all of those criteria are met.
You read the article a couple of times, you decide, what is it about, what's the message here, and then look at how they designed the study. Are the numbers reasonable? Are the questions reasonable? Are the tools that they used, does that make sense? And then try and take a step back and see what the relevance is of it. Is it important in the field? Is it an area of controversy? Is it an area that readers are likely to be very interested in? And then sort of go through it systematically and look at, as I say, the methodology. Are there any issues or any problems, any things that you want to bring to the author's attention?
And I think the most important advice is that, follow the golden rule, treat other people's papers the way you'd like your papers to be treated. Your job is not to have other scientists pursue a study the way you would do it. Your job is to make sure that the data support the claims and the claims are relevant and sufficiently important to merit publication.
In addition to give critical comments and criticizing the manuscript, I will recommend to give more encouraging word. That's how I benefit significantly when I start in my career.
Look at the paper and think about, is this an interesting, thoughtful, and credible contribution to the literature? Not so much is this exactly the way I would have done this? And so what we need to think about is it something that should be out there that people can use and learn from, and less about, I wish they had done this my way.
My advice to reviewers would be, please take that role seriously. It is an important function, an important service, not only to the academy and the journals, but to the field. And being a reviewer is always an educational experience, but it gives you the opportunity to impact the field and to help your peers go further and further.